Hello, I'm Jorge Clar, and I'm here to do an unboxing of a package from the Carload of Clown merchandise department. And we are going to open the edge. With an X-Acto knife. And then inside, we have the beautiful Pandanna by Hapi Phace. And that's one side, and that's the other. And it's quite beautiful with this wonderful brown paper OB strip. The brown paper being Hapi's signature. And then there is this wonderful pink tissue paper with a cardboard to give the Pandanna rigidity. And there you have the beautiful gray tones of the Pandanna, made in 2020. And then I intend to wear it like this, for example. So it is quite beautiful. And thank you very much for watching this Hapi Phace Carload of Clown merchandise department Pandanna unboxing video.